What is up, guys, and welcome to another edition of the Market Marauder Show. Be in the market one trade at a time. If you're new to the Market Marauder Show, it's an investment channel, helps you to find the best deals in the market. If that's something you're interested in, make sure that thumbs up definitely helps the YouTube algorithm promote the videos. Alright, so we're talking about my top penny stocks under $1. So let's jump into it. First one here, we have ticker sign ZOM. Overall, they ended the day at 84 cents, then a week low of 73 cents. So on a nice little run up on here. Overall, still bearish on the name though. Moving average 10 is below 50 at 100, and VWAP is below moving average 10. But they are making a nice little rally, going up from this 73-cent low. So I'm keeping a close eye on ticker sign ZOM, especially considering there's a lot of volume surrounding the name as well. Next, we have ticker sign JOB. And ticker sign JOB. If we zoom out the chart on here, we can see they are bearish as well. The moving average 10 is above the moving average 50 though, but not above the moving average 100. They have a week high of 63 cents. Overall though, ending the day at $6.61. And VWAP is above moving average 10, so positive on that metric. But going to be seeing how they perform as time goes on. Definitely going to be looking at them for a potential early morning mover since they had the 61-cent close for today, and 63 cents is their week high. Next up, we have ticker sign AIKI. So they actually shot up this week all the way to $1.01, but ended the day today at 91 cents. And then had a small rally to 93 cents. So overall, they have a nice little nice little bullish run up starting to begin with a week low of 78 cents. They definitely have come up quite a bit. Looking for them to retest this $1.01 level potentially tomorrow. So hopefully they can do that. VWAP looking very nice on this one as well, with it being way above moving average 10. So going to be looking at ticker sign AIKI for early morning mover on this morning. Next we have ticker sign ACST. So ACST starting a bullish upward trend as well with a week low of 38 cents. Overall ending at 46 cents today. 46 cents being their week high, so they're definitely testing week high levels. Going to be looking for them for a potential early morning mover this morning for a strong upward trend. So going to keep a close eye on ticker sign ACST. I'm going to see if this moving average 10 can break through this moving average 100 and this VWAP shoot up for the confirmation of that upward bullish trend. Next, we have ticker sign GSAT for a global star. Then a week low of $8.23, overall ending the day at 89 cents, then rallying up to 92 cents. So a nice little bullish pattern starting to begin with this one. Next target price going to be looking at 93 cents, which they're very close to, and then $1.02 to break through that moving average 100 line. So that's ticker sign GSAT. Next up, we have ticker sign ADXS, which is starting a bullish upward trend as well with a week low of 441. So 44 cents basically. We can see they ended at 47 cents for today, breaking through the moving average 50. Next, going to be looking at this 52 strike at 52 cents. So going to be seeing if they can break through this 52-cent moving average 100 to confirm that upward bullish momentum. Next, we have ticker sign ONTX. Ticker sign ONTX is starting a bullish move upward with a week low of 57 cents and a week high of 66 cents. They ended the day at 65 cents, so very close to that week high level. Going to be looking to see them break through the 65-cent barrier, which is basically where they're at. So they're basically at the moving average 100. So going to be looking to see if they can break through that to confirm this upward bullish trend. That's ticker sign ONTX. Next, we have ticker sign ITP. ITP starting a bullish trend, bullish upward trend as well, with a week low of 46 cents, retesting this 53-cent level, which is the moving average 100, which is where they ended today. So they ended today at the moving average 100 line. Going to be seeing if they can break through that line and go to 54 cents. Then that'll be a nice confirmation of a bullish upward trend beginning with this name. It's ticker sign ITP. Next, we have ticker sign NAK. which has kind of been on a roller coaster ride this week. Week low of 51 cents, then topping out at 60 cents, ending the day today at 57 cents. This morning, going to be looking at them to see if they can jump up back to retest the 60-cent resistance level and break through this moving average 100 of 58 cents. Let's ticker sign NAK. Next, we have ticker sign GTE. GTE is bearish. Moving average 10 is below 50 at 100. We can see VWAP has been going up and down above and below the moving average 10 line. Overall, ending the day at 58 cents. Going to be looking to see if they can retest the 61 and 63 cent moving average 50 and 100. So those are going to be my next target prices for them. So bear in mind this is for the perspective of Webull. If you'd like to sign up for Webull and get 2 free stocks when you deposit $100 or more, I have a link down below in the description where you can do so. And also bear in mind this is not financial advice. This is just for educational purposes. So just bear that in mind. Just telling you all what's out there in the market, not telling you what stocks to or not to invest in. So just bear in mind it's for educational purposes only. Next up, we have ticker sign NXTD. They had a week high. Let's go back. Their week high is around 98 cents, but overall bearish. With a week low of 65 cents. Moving average 10 is below the 100. It's above the 50 though. But VWAP is also pretty low on this one, ending the day at 77 cents. Next target price is going to be this 94 cent moving average 100 line for them. And last, we have ticker sign UAMY. UAMY is bearish. Moving average 10 is below the 50 and the 100. Overall, though, had a low of 80 cents even. And then we can see that they ended at 88 cents. Next, going to be seeing if they can retest this 89 cent moving average 50, and then retest this 96 cent moving average 100. So drop a comment down below, tell me what stocks you guys are looking at for this week. And while you're down there, make sure that thumbs up definitely helps YouTube algorithm promote the videos. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.